Hi! Today I'm going to be showing our newest backlit mechanical keyboard product called the Blackbird, a Tenkeyless backlit mechanical keyboard. As you can see, it is a compact designed keyboard without the number pad on the right. This kind of design is suitable for users who do not use their number pads often. This also means you can place your mouse closer to your keyboard with a faster transition from the keyboard to mouse. Our newly designed Blackbird Tenkeyless is a simple, elegant, and compact-sized backlit mechanical keyboard packed with new features such as custom backlighting mode, where users can define which keys light up and which keys do not light up by saving them in the keyboard's memory, and an LED sleep mode where you can set a sleep mode timer countdown to turn off your LEDs, which is 5 minutes, 15, 30, or default off. A timer notification mode, which is very useful since, as a gamer, sometimes I'm so focused on an objective in a game that I totally forget about my prior engagements. Now, with this timer notification mode, I can be notified when time is up. Every increment is 10 minutes, up to 120 minutes, and default off. There are 4 levels of LED brightness setting adjustments to suit your environment, and 1 level of LED pulsing or breathing mode to give your keyboard a cool effect. At level 0, off, level 1, low, level 2, medium, level 3, high, and level 4, pulse mode. Looks just like breathing from lowest level of brightness, transitioning to the highest level of brightness back to lowest. Blackbird also features side panel ambient lighting and a convenient high-speed USB 2.0 port. The soft ambient lighting also has 4 brightness levels, which creates a wonderful mood and enriches the aesthetic sense of atmosphere. Meanwhile, the onboard USB ports let you conveniently transfer files and photos from your thumb drive at 480 megabytes per second high-speed data transfer and 100 milliamps per hour current on each port. It is ideal for small USB mobile devices such as mice, trackballs, trackpads, and/or joysticks. Individual color LED located on every key switch across the board. Alright guys, let me spend a little time here on the Blackbird's keycap quality production process. It is a double-shot injection molded keycap. Max Keyboard Blackbird is one of the first backlit mechanical keyboard that has adopted a durable and advanced keycap molding process. Each keycap is filled with a double-shot injection that enriches the touch quality of the matte texture. We are very pleased that each keycap was carefully designed and created as individual molds with the highest level of detail. The finishing enables us to provide the richness in backlight color and, best of all, keeping the letters intact on the keycap so it will never wear off. Full USB N key rollover capability, which means if you rolled your hand down the keyboard, it would register them all. This is also known as anti-ghosting to gamers. The Blackbird currently comes in the choices of Cherry MX Brown switch or Cherry MX Blue switch, with blue or red LED backlight selection. Cherry MX Brown and Blue are the most common switches. Here we have a sampler kit that you can purchase and try each different switch before you purchase your mechanical keyboard. A heavy-duty braided cable allows for extra flexibility and keeps wires from getting tangled. The 18-karat gold electroplated connectors minimize latency and provide a reliable connection that optimizes signal quality and delivers the best transmission and data transfer. The product comes with a comfortable wrist rest, which provides maximum support to help relieve wrist discomfort and keeps your wrists in an ergonomic typing position. Rigid non-skid base keeps the wrist pad firmly in place. Our keyboard is created with a few things in mind: quality, usability, flexibility, and comfort. This will be one of the best backlit mechanical keyboards you will ever own. Thanks for watching our demo video for the Blackbird. If you liked our video, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.